The quadcopter itself, you can do flips with it by pressing this button. You can change the rates by pressing this button. It does have headless mode, and it does have one key return. Other than that, you know, it's a basic, it looks like a basic micro quadcopter. The battery inside of it happens to be a 300 milliamp hour battery that comes with it, and I believe you can fit a little bit longer, bigger batteries like 350s and 380s in there. I'm sliding it all the way forward. There's a lot of space in there, length space in particular for the larger, longer batteries. Other than that, you know, it's a black version, black quadcopter. This, I don't see any LEDs on it, to tell you the truth. We're going to find out here when I plug a battery in. But being black, this probably would not be a good night flyer, but it would be a good, fun day flyer. So let's go for a flight of the DM-003 and see if that's true. There is some little LEDs there in the back, and they're encased inside this black case. You can actually see them out in the daylight. But again, if there's a white version of this out there, I recommend getting the white version because it would show up much better than this black one. That black one's going to be hard to see at night. So binding the quadcopter. Okay, and again, the rates, let's first see how stable it is. If I can trim it. Very quiet. But yes, this is a good, stable beginner's quadcopter. I might actually give this to my wife to practice with today. She's going to learn to fly. I'm going to teach her to fly. Okay, well, no, this one's a little bit too nimble for a beginner. This is beginner rate, actually, and it flies pretty darn well at beginner rate. It's got very good yaw. This would be a good indoor flyer because of the yaw. This actually seems to be a very good indoor flyer would be, based on the way it's flying right now. This is beginner rate, folks. You can fly figure eights in your living room with this easily. Okay, let's go at a higher rate. Wow, 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 wow. That has a hell of a pitch. How about the yaw? Is it controllable? Yeah, the yaws are controllable. Wow, this is a good one. How about the flips? Mini Gort, I like you. How about, can I do a barrel roll? That would be cool. I don't know. Well, yeah, kind of. Let's try it again. It levels off real fast. Oh, this is a good flyer. Oh, this is going to be a good... Oh, I hit the ground there. Had a little bit of vortex ring state from that pitch. Oh, there's even a higher rate. I haven't tried it. Let's see what the yaw does in this higher rate. Beginner. Intermediate. Expert. The yaw rate's the same for between intermediate and expert, but the pitch is more extreme, more extreme. Coming back. Intermediate. Actually, intermediate and expert seem very similar. Except it's got a little bit more bank in terms of rolling bank. Going back to beginner, intermediate. Okay, where's that headless mode? I think I was pointed that way. Let's find out which way I was pointed. Yeah, we're in headless mode right now. Right, left. Okay, let's go down to headless mode bearing and do the one key return. Try that. One key return. Oh, that's the range there, folks. Seems to be, coming out of headless mode, seems to be about 60 meters, 50 meters, 50 meters. So the range isn't extreme with this little transmitter, but you don't really need extreme range with this little quadcopter. It's tiny. It's going to get really hard to see going past 50 or 60 meters. Just want to get back into, let's see if I can rebind. There I go. Where's the headless mode direction this time? It's still thinking that's headless mode. How about the one key return? Coming out of headless mode. The one key return does not seem to be doing anything. Let's go into headless mode. Am I pressing the right? Oh, there we go. It's mislabeled. Headless mode, one key return is this one. There we go. So my controller is different than what is in the directions. Okay, let's try that one key return button. It's the right yaw trim button. Okay, let's bring it down a bit and go out and try it one more time. We're out in the distance there. I've lost orientation, pressing one key return. And here it comes back. Let's go down the field again one more time. Again, this is the one key return button. And it comes back. So again, the directions, the instruction manual is mislabeled. It's incorrect, on mine at least. Maybe mine was miswired, I don't know. So if your one key return isn't working, try the other throttle and yaw trim buttons to see if that might be your one key return button. So nice and stable in beginner rate, very maneuverable in beginner rate. You can do, in beginner rate, you can do figure eights in your living room. You should be able to do them if you got a little bit of practice. And intermediate rate gets pretty extreme pitch on it. Let's show, and with that pitch you got a lot of speed, but this being a lightweight quadcopter, it's starting to get a little sluggish now, but showing you that, and there we go.